Hi everyone, so in this video I will be showing you how to create an account and sign up on our Hermes platform. So step one will always be to go onto hermeshealth.ai and you'll get your sign in screen. So in this circumstance, let's say we don't have an account. We'll click this little purple button here that states sign up. Then it'll give you the option to create your account. You could choose to create your account through Google, Microsoft, or your email address. So in this circumstance, I'm going to choose our test account here. And it gives you the option to create a password. However, my account does already exist, so it will notify me that my email address is taken. But if you do not have an existing account, it should redirect you to resubmit your password, select continue, and create your account. Now, let's say we do have an account and we want to sign in. We could select our sign in button. And right here, let's try our Google account. So I'll go ahead into my personal account with Hermes. I'll select my account and it should redirect me to the platform. Since this is my personal account, it does have sensitive information that we do not want to disclose, but it should redirect you to the dashboard where it will log you into your account. And that is how you sign up or create an account on our Hermes platform.